As the 21st century continues to unfold, the global economic landscape is witnessing a shift in power from west to east. While China has been the dominant force in Asia for the past few decades, speculation arises about the next nation to become the next China. This video will explore the potential successor to China. By the end, you will gain valuable insights on how to maintain power like China. On to the first country, India. Will it be the next trendsetter? According to the International Monetary Fund, IMF, India is set to become the fastest-growing major economy in the world. In fact, its economy is expected to grow by 6.8% by 2024. But what sets India apart from other countries? What truly sets India apart from other countries is its monumental stride into the world of technology and software development. Indian IT giants like Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and Infosys have successfully spread their wings globally, providing cutting-edge software solutions to businesses worldwide. As evidence of India's prowess, its software industry exports reached a staggering $320 billion in the financial year 2023. The emergence of an expanding middle class is another driving force that elevates India's potential to surpass China. By 2047, India's middle class is projected to expand significantly, reaching approximately 61% of the nation's total population. This unprecedented growth signifies an enormous consumer market hungry for diverse products and services. As promising as India's trajectory appears, it faces significant challenges on its path to becoming the next China. Poverty remains a persistent hurdle to inclusive growth. A significant 16.4% of India's population still struggles with poverty. The light must be shed on income inequality and access to education, healthcare, and rural development to uplift those left behind and create a level playing field for all. Streamlining administrative procedures and implementing investor-friendly policies are crucial to attracting foreign investment and fostering an environment conducive to business growth. Modern transportation, efficient logistics systems, and robust digital connectivity are needed to improve domestic and international trade, ensuring seamless exchange and facilitating rapid economic expansion. If India can successfully address these challenges, it has the potential to soar above and beyond, leaving China in its wake. The ASEAN countries are among the leading contenders to become the next China. Will this economic union of Southeast Asia countries be China's successor? Imagine the amalgamation of 10 powerhouse economies coming together to create an economic force of monumental proportions. That is ASEAN, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam form an economic powerhouse that commands attention, with the combined GDP standing tall as the third largest in Asia, surpassed only by China and Japan. Last year, the combined GDP of all ASEAN states reached an impressive figure of around $3.66 trillion, displaying a notable rise compared to previous years. The pulse of any thriving economy lies within its consumer markets, and ASEAN is beating with rapid growth. By 2030, 65% of the people in the area, with 60% under 35, are considered middle class. The avalanche of rising purchasing power creates an opportunity for regional and global businesses. Over the next 10 years, ASEAN alone is estimated to gain 140 million additional customers. And by 2030, the region's GDP per capita is anticipated to reach $6,600. Vibrant assembly lines, cutting-edge technologies, and a skilled workforce are the hallmarks of ASEAN's manufacturing prowess. In the third quarter of 2023, the manufacturing sector in ASEAN saw a revival. The number of new orders rose, while output jumped to a 3-month high. The PMI increased in August from 50.8 in July to 51.0, continuing its rising trend that began in October 2021. Through summits with Japan and South Korea, ASEAN focuses on green technology, benefiting the region through environmental sustainability, economic growth, and addressing local challenges. Boosting exports, creating job opportunities, and driving innovation, ASEAN showcases its ability to compete head-on with economic giants. With major global markets and the Belt Road Initiative converging, ASEAN is the vital link connecting Asia, Europe, and the Americas. Political and socio-economic disparities, including unemployment among ASEAN member countries, remain a challenge and must be addressed head-on to become the next China. Country number 3, Nigeria. With a whopping population surpassing 223 million, Nigeria is the most populous country in Africa. This impressive feat naturally makes everyone wonder, could Nigeria be the next China in Africa? First and foremost, Nigeria boasts a treasure trove of natural resources. Its vast oil, natural gas, and mineral reserves provide a solid foundation for economic growth. In fact, Nigeria's GDP has been steadily growing at an average rate of 0.65% from 2010 to 2023, showcasing the country's potential. But it's not just about population and resources. Infrastructure is the backbone of any thriving economy, and Nigeria recognizes this. Significant progress is being made in improving road networks, expanding access to electricity, and enhancing educational opportunities for its citizens. However, economic success goes hand in hand with good governance. Corruption continues to cast a dark cloud, hampering resource allocation and eroding public trust. And not forgetting about the elephant in the room, economic inequality remains a challenge in Nigeria. Unfortunately, nearly half of the population, amounting to 89 million individuals, live below the poverty line. Additionally, 53 million people constitute 25% of the country's population and are considered vulnerable. To truly emulate China's success, Nigeria must prioritize addressing this inequality, ensuring shared prosperity that leaves no one behind. By focusing on infrastructure, diversifying its economy, and improving governance, Nigeria will pave the way for a prosperous future. With determination and strategic action, Nigeria can position itself as Africa's titan. On to country number 4, predicted to be China's successor, Brazil. Brazil's vast resource base is the envy of many nations. The abundance of iron ore, oil reserves, agricultural prowess, and mineral wealth have catapulted the country into a global commodity powerhouse. Brazil's resource-rich economy lays a solid foundation for growth and trade. But Brazil's potential doesn't stop at trading. The nation's technological capabilities are rising. The Brazilian research institutions and universities are fertile grounds for innovation, inspiring entrepreneurs and startups to push boundaries in e-commerce and software development. With over 214 million consumers, Brazil's most excellent trump card lies in its domestic market. Its burgeoning middle class, hungry for goods and services, forms a strong backbone for economic expansion. Despite these economic progress, Brazil is not at its full potential. Unlocking Brazil's full potential requires overcoming challenges that stand in its way. By simplifying and streamlining regulations, Brazil can become a magnet for companies and investors seeking fresh avenues of growth. Furthermore, structural reforms are crucial to unlock Brazil's true potential. Upgrading infrastructure, transport networks, and logistics will reduce costs and enhance connectivity, creating an environment conducive to growth. Brazil stands at a crossroads, poised to become South America's next economic behemoth. With a rich resource base, accelerating technological capabilities, and a vibrant domestic market, the nation has the ingredients for a transformative journey reminiscent of China's remarkable rise. Country number 5, South Korea. Will it be China's successor? South Korea has shattered the boundaries of technological progress, propelling itself to the forefront of innovation across various sectors. When talking about prominent global brands that have redefined excellence, South Korea is the home for Samsung, LG, and Hyundai. These industry giants have solidified their position as pioneers, capturing the hearts of consumers worldwide. Starting with Samsung, the unrivaled emperor of smartphones, showcases its technological wizardry, while LG revolutionizes electronics and home appliances. Meanwhile, Hyundai, the automotive maestro, spearheads the electric vehicle revolution. With these icons of innovation spearheading the charge, South Korea's ascent seems unstoppable. With the government formally supporting and developing the sector, South Korea has been one of the world's top users of industrial robots. Their education system, emphasizing science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, nurtures a wellspring of brilliant minds. The results are astonishing, a labor force demonstrating unrivaled excellence in harnessing advanced technologies, enabling South Korea to conquer global marketplaces. No journey to greatness is without its challenges, and South Korea is no exception. Surrounded by geopolitical tensions and regional conflicts, the nation must navigate treacherous waters. With a galaxy of global brands and a workforce with unmatched skills, South Korea has all the elements needed to seize the mantle of the following global powerhouse. South Korea's ascent may not mirror China's, but it will become a transformative technological titan that reshapes the world. Country number 6, Russia. Led by one of the most influential people on Earth, Vladimir Putin, will Russia be China's successor? Well, Russia's sheer size and strategic position give it a fascinating advantage. Spanning more than 1/8 of the Earth's inhabited land area, it acts as a gateway between Europe and Asia. Moreover, the country boasts an abundance of natural resources, such as oil, gas, minerals, and timber, which have traditionally been the backbone of its economy. Russia is the world's third largest oil producer, after the United States, and holds the world's 8th largest proven oil reserves. These resources provide economic opportunities and serve as a means of wielding influence on the global stage. The country has achieved remarkable advancements in aerospace technology, exemplified by the development of the world's first supersonic passenger aircraft, the Tu-144, and successful satellite systems like GLONASS. Russia's geopolitical influence extends far beyond its borders, as it actively shapes international politics while exerting its control in neighboring regions. The country has played a significant role in brokering diplomatic initiatives in various conflicts, such as its involvement in Syria, aiming to safeguard its strategic interests and maintain influence. Partnerships with neighboring countries, including Belarus and Kazakhstan, through initiatives like the Eurasian Economic Union, equip Russia with economic and political leverage. Naturally, Russia's climb to become China's successor faces hurdles that must be surmounted for its potential ascent to be realized. With the banking sector in disarray, inflation at a high level, the continued impacts of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and 3 years of COVID, the picture of Russia becoming the next China is uncertain. Also, Russia's heavy reliance on energy exports exposes it to global oil and gas price volatility. To ensure sustainable growth, Russia must diversify its economy by developing technology, manufacturing, and innovation sectors. As with any analysis of global power dynamics, the future remains uncertain. Only time will tell whether Russia can fulfill its potential as a successor to China's global influence. The quest to find the next China encompasses an array of potential contenders who exhibit distinct characteristics for economic dominance. These countries are the sleeping giants ready to seize their rightful place as the next global economic behemoths. The question is, will any of these countries rise to the occasion and cement their position at the summit of the world economy? Which nation do you think will rise and overtake China? Give your opinions in the comments section. China is a paragon of sustained influence with a rich historical tapestry woven by powerful dynasties. Patience is not just a virtue, it is a cornerstone of China's success. Through visionary long-term planning, individuals can plant the seeds of sustained power. Furthermore, preserving social harmony is the bedrock of China's power consolidation. By blending China's invaluable lessons with your values and unique circumstances, you can chart a course toward personal growth and societal progress that redefines the boundaries of power mastery. Start by liking and sharing this video, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video for an electrifying experience that divulges unparalleled insights, empowering you to break free from the ordinary and become an extraordinary force for change.